Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about spraying hollyhocks, or how to spray hollyhocks. Now, hollyhocks are a beautiful flower that blooms in the summer. They can get 10 feet tall with gorgeous paper flowers that are bright magentas and reds and yellows, and they're just a beautiful addition to your garden. But they do multiply very quickly, and they'll set seeds, so you have to kind of be careful with them. And they do get rot, or they get botrytis, or they get rust very easily, because whenever they get wet, they'll get little rust spots all over them. So there's many different ways that you can spray them to try to control that. But in the end, I found the easiest way to control that is to just take some vegetable oil or olive oil and mix it with water and just spray the plant down with that. And that generally will kill any of the bugs or that issue. And if it's the root, or if it's too wet, generally just drying out the plant or starting the seeds earlier, or just realizing in the fall they just generally turn brown because they get too wet. And then just chopping them out when they get to that point will save a lot of time too. Because you can spray them with all kinds of powders and mildew type powder that's going to stop them from getting the rust. But in the end, it's not really solving the problem. And as long as they're too wet, they're going to get that rusty spots. And so just by cutting them out, drying them out, and maybe cutting out of some of the plants around them so they get more air and thinning them out, you will find that you can take care of them without spraying them at all.